everyone, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Today we are here in Los Angeles at the Istanbul coffee shop. Here we going there try some Turkish tea with their sweet Turkish sweet. We going inside and see what we have. So we are now inside their coffee shop and let's order the tea or coffee. Hello. How you doing?
Doing well. How can I help you today?
We are coming to try Turkish coffee or Turkish tea.
Of course, we have really good Turkish tea.
Okay.
It is based on like black tea actually.
Okay.
It tastes gorgeous because we make it so special.
Awesome.
So basically what we do is we take this type of plate,
Okay.
small plate, and we take our Turkish teacups. Normally our teacups we don't have this side.
Okay.
But because we want our customers to be happy about it,
Okay.
we just do it. We bought from these
Awesome.
specifically.
Awesome.
And let me describe our coffee cups too.
Okay.
Our coffee cups, it is mainly like structures of Turkish culture and it looks really good. It's the moon of the Turkish culture actually.
Okay.
Turkish flag.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, we specifically picked this type of stuff. And this one is Turkish delight. And
Oh my God.
it tastes so sweet, but it tastes really good as well.
Okay.
Okay, so what we do is we put the cup and the plate like this. We
Okay.
take the thing. and then
How's your dessert?
Yeah, we have baklava, we have Turkish şekerpare, and we have künefe.
Okay. Whatever is originally Turkish traditional sweet, could you give us some?
Of course, I would like to provide you that. Ready?
Action.
So what's this plate?
So this plate comes with tomato sauce.
Okay.
It can come combo, so it is beef or chicken.
Okay.
So let's say it is beef, okay, and it's chopped with bread and tomato sauce and oil in the pan, and there's 3 types of veggies: grilled tomato, grilled onion, and grilled jalapeno. And there is a yogurt. Because we Turkish people, we like to eat this with the yogurt.
What's the name
And
of this?
this plate name is Iskender.
Iskender.
And it's really famous about it.
It's traditional Turkish food.
Yeah, it is
Iskender.
traditional
Okay.
Turkish food.
Okay. So we are outside waiting for traditional Turkish food. Thank you so much. Thank you. Awesome. meat is so tender, delicious, kind of juicy. You feel tomato sauce in your mouth. Try tomato kebab, tomato barbecue. Wow, that's amazing. So juicy. Barbecue pepper. Try the barbecue pepper with now. Wow. Spicy, juicy. Let's try yogurt. The bread mixed with kebab juice, tomato juice, to make it more delicious. Everything's so professional. The kitchen is very clean. The cook is very professional. I love it. If you guys want to try halal food in Los Angeles, your travel in Los Angeles, just Google Cafe Istanbul. It's a very clean place, halal meat, and the cook, everything is there making so professional. The food is so tasty, delicious. I definitely recommend you guys come here and enjoy the traditional from Turkish Cafe Istanbul. Thanks for baklava. Thanks for thank you so much. Amazing, guys. Amazing Turkish tea and baklava. Have a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like the Turkish tea with Iskenderi food, and have a great time. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. We're going to city to city, country to country, try halal meat, halal food, and halal restaurant. And we need your support. Have a great time. Bye. Ya Allah.